Imagine a place where lead melts right in midair and the rain is made of concentrated sulfuric acid. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi horror movie, but this is reality, and it's right in our cosmic backyard. Venus, Earth's closest neighbor, which was supposed to be our twin. But why did it turn into the most dangerous trap in the entire solar system? In this video, we'll break down how Earth's twin turned into an absolute nightmare, why scientists are desperate to go back, and how its grim fate directly threatens our own home today. Let's dive in. Look at the hard facts. Venus is practically Earth's clone. The same age, similar size, almost identical mass and composition. In theory, it should have had oceans crashing against its shores and life blooming everywhere. But the moment you step onto its surface, that illusion shatters in a fraction of a second. The temperature here sits at a scorching 460 carat /circ text C, 860 carat /circ text F. Hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is twice as close to the Sun, and the atmospheric pressure is equivalent to being 1 kilometer deep under Earth's ocean. Any spacecraft or human would be instantly crushed and incinerated at the same time. So what turned a potential paradise into a blast furnace? The answer lies in a phenomenon that spiraled completely out of control, a runaway greenhouse effect. Somewhere early in the planet's evolution, things went catastrophically wrong. The main secret behind Venus's hellish kitchen is its atmosphere. It's 96% heavy carbon dioxide, capped off by dense clouds of sulfuric acid. This blend acts like a giant insulation blanket. Sunlight gets in and heats the surface, but the heat can never escape back into space. Yet once upon a time, things were very different. Scientists believe that for its first billion years, Venus had liquid oceans and a relatively mild climate. But because it sits slightly closer to the Sun than Earth, the water began to evaporate. Water vapor amplified the greenhouse effect, temperatures spiked, and the oceans literally boiled away. Then came the final blow, the lack of an intrinsic magnetic field. Without that shield, solar winds stripped away all the hydrogen over millions of years, forever robbing Venus of its chance to regain water and sealing its fate for good. Why bother studying this scorching sphere at all? First, Venus is a stark warning. It's a mirror showing Earth's potential future if we let our own greenhouse effect run wild. Second, it's the ultimate engineering challenge. Landing a probe on Venus is like dropping equipment inside a working smelting furnace. Back in the day, the Soviet Venera landers managed to survive on the surface for only about an hour before the brutal environment destroyed them. Right now, NASA and ESA are planning new missions to crack this world open. And here's the wildest part. We might actually find life there. No, not on the scorching surface, but 50 \text km, 30 \text miles, up in the atmosphere. Temperatures and pressures drop to comfortable, Earth-like levels. Some scientists seriously believe that extremophile microorganisms could be thriving inside those acid clouds. If that weren't enough, Venus has a few more bizarre quirks up its sleeve. Take its atmosphere. High-altitude winds howl at up to 360 \text km/h, 220 \text mph, causing the entire atmosphere to whip around the planet in just 4 days. This phenomenon is known as superrotation. Meanwhile, the planet itself spins agonizingly slow. A single day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, meaning a day on Venus is longer than its entire year. On top of that, it rotates backwards compared to most planets. That's why terraforming Venus is pure science fiction for now. Stripping away such a thick atmosphere and spinning up a whole planet is infinitely harder than just warming up Mars. Fragile our home is, and how incredibly lucky we are to have Earth. Do you think humanity will ever build floating cities in the clouds of Venus? Or will this planet remain a cosmic off-limits zone forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button if you wouldn't want to get caught in a sulfuric acid rainstorm. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. There's plenty more space content coming your way. See you next time.